Okay, can someone tell me what is a milliliter? The question is what is a milliliter? How would you describe it? Delilah.
It's for measuring.
Yes, that's right. We measure.
Water and liquid. Yeah.
Good. So we measure things like water. We measure liquid. Good. What else can we add? Talia?
When you're in a shopping centre and you want to get a bottle of water, you can see how many milliliters.
Okay, so it shows units. Very good. It shows units. Zoe?
It's the amount of liquid that makes a litre. It's like 1,000 of it is 1,000 millilitres is a litre.
Fantastic. So we're now getting into the more specific parts. Zoe has recognised that there is the word litre there. Litre is what we measure. For example, I've got a...
Oh, what about my crystals? We had to use 2 milliliters of the crystal stuff.
Okay.
He's an awesome drawer. He's better than
Alright, so we've got a 1 litre bottle of something. Now millilitres is smaller, it's milli. Milli means 1,000 times smaller. This one here, milli, means
Small
1,000
liters.
times
Smaller.
1,000 times smaller. So do you think a milliliter would be bigger than this 1 litre bottle?
No.
No, it'd actually be really, really tiny. A milliliter might only take up a little bit down there. Very good. And Zoe's right. There it is. 1,000 millilitres. Take a look at how I've written millilitres. That's really important. A little m and a capital L. What does the L represent? What is a capital L abbreviated as? Zenith?
Litre?
Litre, good. And the M is, quite obvious, milli. Right, so 1,000 millilitres equals 1 litre. Excellent. Now, I'm going to give you a question.
For the day?
You're in your books, there is going to be a jar. I'll just give you an example now. At the top, there will be 1,000 millilitres.
That's a measuring cup.
Alright. Okay, I need a volunteer.
For what?
Michelle, can you come up? And can you show the class where you think 300 millilitres, if I was going to fill this jug up to 300 millilitres, where it would go to? Just draw a line where you think it would go to. 300 millilitres. Why do you think it goes there?
Because 300 millilitres would be not that much compared to 1,000.
That's right, so it's a lot less. Thank you. You can go sit down. Almost correct. Can you take a look at these little marks here? There's a mark here and a mark here. What do they represent? What do those marks represent? What do you think, Joel?
They represent where the measuring, like one would say 100, 200,
Oh, where would
300.
100 be?
100 would be about would be
There?
yeah the
Yeah, well done. All right. So Joel has realised that every time there is a mark, it's going up by 100 millilitres. This is 200. This is 300. 400. Please don't call out. 5, 6, 700, 800. So I'm sorry, Michelle, but I was trying to trick you. 300 millilitres would be along here. and we just shade that part in. Fantastic.